Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Simply CM. And today, check natin. Wait lang, tagal naman eh. September 25, Sunday, 11:35 ng umaga. Yes. And in 30 minutes, mag-check out na kami dito sa Loves Beach Resort, guys. We enjoyed our stay here so much. Kasi the first week, anong araw ba tayo dito? Natutulog si Marty, nakakainis. But anyway, the first week halos kami lang ata yung guest nila. May ibang guest bro, kunti lang talaga. But then yesterday, Saturday, ang daming dumating na mga tao. So, that's also okay. Kasi mag-move out na din kami dito. And we're gonna change to another resort. Martin sleeping. Pag nahiya, huwag nyo lang intindihin. So anyway, my whole family, they've been here. They arrived here. When did they arrive? Friday. So we had the whole day. They arrived Friday, and yesterday was Saturday, so we have the whole day na nagsiswim-swim lang, enjoy, kain-kain sa labas. So it was nice. And then today they're about to go back to the city because most of them are working people and students and all that. Kati ng ilong ko. So students, ganyan. So Monday, mag-school na ulit. And then, also my parents, they're gonna go back to the city. Ganyan, para makarelax naman din sila doon. Ano pa ba? But me and Martin, we're gonna be staying here until 2 more days, until Tuesday. Tapos pagkatapos nun, uwi na kami sa city. And then we're gonna buy stuff para dalhin namin sa Denmark. And yeah, ang bilis lang ng panahon, guys. 3 weeks. As in, 3 weeks. Ang bilis. So, next Saturday, today Sunday. So, next Saturday, uwi na kami ng Denmark. And then by Sunday, andun na kami. And then by Monday, work na naman. Pero it's okay. It's been a fun vacation. Yeah, it's been a fun vacation. Kaya lang, ang bilis lang talaga ng oras. So, but I'm very thankful na I'm able to do these things. Na nakakapagbakasyon, nadadala ko yung pamilya ko, ganyan. Happy din ako kasi itong isang natutulog dito, pagkita ko. Ting! No. Anyway, inubo ako, pero hindi to kurong ha, guys. So, kapapak lang namin. Yan, ready to go. Yung blue na IKEA bag, laman yan ay mga dirty laundry namin. So, ipapalaundry namin yan mamaya konti. Doon, maglalakad kami. Tapos, yung pag mag-taxi from the city, from Cebu City going here, it costs 2,500. Pero mas mabuti pag, maghagol-hagol kayo. And then maybe it will go smaller amount. Pero yung iba kasi nung nandun kami, may mga nagpresyo ng 3,000, may mga nagpresyo ng 3,500. Pero good thing, 2,500. So yung sister ko din nagtaxi sila. Uwi din sila ngayon magtaxi. So 2,500. So yun yung mga presyohan dito. 2,500 city to Boal. And umuulan ngayon dito, kaya dito na muna kami. Grabe si Martin, naghihilik-hilik pa. My God. So we got actually 10 minutes to relax, and then after that we have to go to the reception and we have to settle the bills. Tapos move. So nag-rent kami ng motorcycle, guys, and it's nice kasi yung na-rent namin is malaki kasi yung asawa ko, so yung na-rent namin is bagay sa kanya in max. Yung motor niya nung unang presyo nila sa amin dito is 800 pesos, pero hangyo, guys. It became 600 pesos a day, pero pinag-discount pa kami kasi 11 days namin siyang ni-rent. So, yun. And so, yung mga gamit namin, obviously, hindi pwedeng isakay sa motor. So, magre-rent kami ng tricycle. So, Martin is gonna be in the motorcycle. And then I'm gonna be in the tricycle, and then on the way to the next hotel. Yung next hotel namin ay hindi na siya ganun kalapit sa dagat, pero may malaking swimming pool naman. And tapos may mura, grabe hilik ni Marte. Pero mas mura naman yung ano doon, yung per night doon. Tapos may magandang restaurant din. Tapos walking distance siya sa almost lahat. You know, restaurants, bars, kanyan. So we'll try it there 2 days. 2 days na bakasyon pa din. And then after nun, practical things na bibili ng mga dapat bilhin pabalik Denmark. Ano pa ba yung mga paperwork na kailangan namin gawin, ganyan. So yun, ang bilis lang. Ang bilis lang. Sinasabi ko lang, ang bilis ng oras kasi ang bilis naman talaga ng oras. So right now, see, relax, relax. I like the room, guys, because parang concrete ito. And then may paganito sila. Feel na feel mo talaga na, you know, parang relaxing siya, ganyan. Hindi siya yung normal na white wall lang. Tapos sa labas din, sobrang native. Ang dami namin pinost ng mga pictures, ganyan. Ang ganda. So yun, ano ko ba? Ang dami kong sinasabi. Basta, see you later. Sa next video ko, I think we are on our new hotel na, ha? New hotel, char. I don't know if it's a hotel or resort. Yeah, I think it's a resort. Anyway, let's see.